year 2021 exceeded all expectations, and it was definitely for Marbella the best year that we all can remember. The real estate market in Marbella is very buoyant. Last year, and it started also this year. All the mid to high market was really booming, and in Marbella we never saw a year with sales like this in this upper market. I think that people change their perspective about their life and they want to live now, and we see it in all the luxury segments, if it's watches or clothes or houses. People are looking for a good and solid investment, and the travel situation have been much more complicated, so that people that were thinking about buying a second home in the future decided to do it now and not to wait. So we do see also a lot of people that are moving permanently with their families here because they have realized during the situation with the COVID-19 that they can work remotely and live in a better environment and in a warmer place like Marbella. Marbella has been a trendy domicile since many years, and it's becoming more and more trendy and more stylish. We are offering fantastic infrastructure here, very good international schools here. We have the best microclimate in Europe, and I think from all the leisure destinations, Marbella is the best place to live, either permanently or as a second home here, and we have beautiful houses. Actually, Spain was chosen in Germany as the best place for interior designs, and I think that this tendency is also continuing in the market. We had many highlights in 2021, and in general, we triple our sales this year, and we have sold properties in volume of over 561 million in total. Out of this is around 353 millions of resale properties, and this is just Engel Völkers with our 5 offices here. When we are talking at average selling price, we shouldn't forget that we are selling always more apartment than villas. It's the nature of the business. So the average price is combined between villas and apartments, and the average price between all 5 offices of Engel Völkers in different locations is 1.8 million euros. We've sold many properties in excess of 4 million actually this year, and as I say, it was a unique year of sales in the mid to up market, and our highest sale was a villa of 15 million, not even completed. The amount of buyers for off-plan properties is increasing because the resale properties are getting less and less, and people want usually to have a modern, beautiful environment and the latest luxury and amenities, and are willing to wait 1 year until the property will be finished. When we are talking about off-plan properties, we are talking about a sales volume of over 203 millions that our offices sold last year. It is 40% of the total sales that we did last year. Engel Völkers have a development department, and we are working with the developer from day one, from the minute that they are buying the plot, even before that, and advising them what to build, what are the tendencies, how big should be the rooms, according to demand that we know from our clientele, and also about the selling price. And I'm very proud to announce that we have completed in very short time to sell free development on the Golden Mile, which is the most prestigious area in Marbella. And we have sold this year the collection, which is across the street of Punto Romano. Very big success was La Fuente on the beginning of the Golden Mile. 15 villas in gated community with concierge, walking distance to the beach. Prices between 2 million and 3.5 million. We have sold all the 15 villas within 10 months. We have sold completely the first phase of Benaluz, which is situated close to the beach on the Golden Mile. And actually, it is the only development that have been built in the last 20 years close to the beach on the Golden Mile. We are now launching the second phase, and we have already a waiting list for the apartments there. So definitely the off-land properties are of high demand, and we have by Engel Völkers some surprises for 2022 with great things, great development that are coming on the market. With the confinement, we have seen that the clientele that is coming to Marbella is younger today. We see a lot of IT millionaires coming, young people between 35 and 45 years. We saw a lot of sportsmen and very known entrepreneurs. They bring with them also new demand for lifestyle. We see new restaurants, very trendy restaurants, very trendy beach clubs coming, more and more. The amount of German buyers in Marbella have tripled itself this year. I'm talking about German, Austria, and Swiss, the German-speaking market. We see an increase in Belgium clients. We see many clients from Holland. Actually, the highest sales this year were to clients from Holland. We see a lot of Scandinavians coming and buying with us properties between 4 and 10 millions there, and this is a market that is also growing every year more and more. Marbella is offering the best lifestyle here, so we see all nationalities coming. The Marbella market have been very stable all the years actually. All the world situation, the current low Euribor, negative interest rate in many countries in Europe, and Marbella have shown also a high stability and to be as a good investment actually. People are not looking only for investment, they are looking also for a better lifestyle and better life quality that we definitely have in Marbella. So I don't think that this tendency will change in the next year. In opposite, I think that Marbella attracts more and more people at the moment from all nationalities. The challenge for 2022 might be a lack of modern properties on the market because currently the demand is higher than the supply, but all the areas of Marbella are beautiful. So we see now increased interest also in the area of La Alqueria, in the area of Los Flamingos, because the supply currently on the Golden Mile, for example, is limited. So I think that this will be maybe one of the challenges, but I'm sure we will overcome it, and we will supply great properties, continue to supply. Don't forget that Engel Völkers is unique in this market. Only in Marbella we have 5 offices, and we have a huge team of very experienced and professional agents that know every corner of our market and can give excellent service and advice to the clientele. Besides that, we have over 20 years of experience in this market. We have a very innovative marketing team with a grandiose marketing strategy. And the most important is Engel Völkers is the leading brand worldwide in the mid to up market. So with all these advantages, I'm sure that we will overcome every challenge and we will continue to achieve the same results.